In this video, I'm going to show you how to queue songs on YouTube TV so you can create a seamless playlist of your favorite music videos or tracks and enjoy uninterrupted playback. Let's get started. While YouTube TV is primarily designed for live TV and on-demand shows, you can still queue up music videos or songs using the integrated YouTube experience. To queue a song, start by opening the YouTube TV app or website and signing into your account. Use the search bar to find the song, artist, or music video you want to play. Once you've located the content, click on it to start playback. During playback, look for the queue icon in the player controls. This is usually represented by a list or plus symbol. Clicking this will add the video to your active queue. If you're using the YouTube TV app on a smart TV or streaming device, you can also add multiple songs to the queue. Simply search for another track or video and select the Add to Queue option instead of playing it immediately. This way, you can build a playlist of songs that will play one after another. To manage your queue, go to the playback screen and look for the Queue section, which displays all the videos or songs lined up for playback. From here, you can remove items, reorder them, or clear the entire queue if you want to start over. If you're using a mobile device or computer alongside your TV, you can control the queue remotely through the YouTube app or website. Just ensure your devices are signed into the same account and connected to the same network. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making the most of YouTube TV and its features. Thanks for watching, and I hope queuing songs on YouTube TV enhances your music streaming experience. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.